Hey guys, it's me Roman and I'm back with a brand new video. And today, I'm just gonna apologize for not posting lately, but I built a new house in Bloxburg and this has been 2 weeks of having it, and I'm going to be moving, build myself a new house. And I'm not gonna delete the car, it's too special. So I will see you when the house is done. I'm just gonna quickly delete it by doing by that. There we go. 33,000 to buy myself, to build myself a new house. Let's do it. Okay guys, there will be a part 2. I'm just a little bit tired now. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm sorry this was such a short video, and sorry I didn't record the build. It's not finished. It's not actually finished yet. So this right now, with this, and then upstairs you just have a single room up there, but there's nothing in it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.